Hello and welcome to part 2 of the Nagaon series. If you haven't already watched part 1, please click on the link mentioned on the screen and there you can see what is Nagaon and how to reach Nagaon. And now in part 2, we'll be talking about one of the major player in Nagaon, that is the Ramratan Group.
Hello everyone, today we are in Nagaon and I'm here at Ramratan Group site with the Global Sales Director, Ms. Twinkle. Hi, good afternoon everybody. Hi Priyanka, welcome to Ramratan's Nagaon, and this is one of our flagship project which is Green Steps. Thank you Twinkle. And we're here and she's the expert and she will share the good insights of this group and the place. Let's hear it from Twinkle. So Ramratan Group has been developing farmhouse communities from the last 40 years and we have been creating this legacy of developing farmhouse communities. So Nagaon is one such area where the government has been very supportive. If you look at the view and the beauty of it, as you can see the Aravali's behind us, it has a very scenic view. When it comes to Ramratan Group, we are very much accountable for the paperwork, everything, the legality aspect in terms of our buying, purchasing, acquiring land is quite good if we compare it to our competitors in the area. Thank you very much Twinkle for this beautiful insight. Now we want to know more about Ramratan Group and what are the projects that we're doing and what is coming in the pipeline. Our first project was Ananda, where we have developed the entire community and the project is sold out. Now where we are standing is our Green Step project, which is also, if you see the development, it has already been completed. The other projects which are there is Iswara, which is the wellness community, which is known by Golden Age Iswara Farms, where a wellness center is also coming up, which is adjoining this project. Apart from this, we have another project which is Aravali Retreat, which is in the plotting of 1500 square yard. The ticket size is like 1 CR 10 lakhs, and it is just an investment where everybody wants to invest into farmhouse. They don't have that much of budget or they have that constraint of investing. This is a very small ticket size and they can easily own a farm in Nagaon. Apart from that, our new project is also coming up, which is Nature Nest. So this new project which is coming will have the same concept like Green Steps. It will have a clubhouse, it will have a cafeteria, and all the amenities will be as on the same lines of Green Step. So Ramratan Group is making farmhouse dream of everybody come to reality. Come to Nagaon and experience yourself.